Study Section 11. Skills required for career success of management graduates. Introduction. You were told in the beginning of this course that management is a unique discipline. Its application in various fields does not change the uniqueness. Therefore, every management graduate is expected to possess certain skills to survive in their chosen career. These skills are discussed in this lecture. The skills are technical, human, analytical, and conceptual skills. Thus, as educational management graduates in making, you are implored to develop your skills in these areas in preparation for proposed career. Learning outcomes for Study Section 11. At the end of this lecture, students should be able to discuss various types of skill required for career success of management. Skill required for career success of management. Skill refers to a particular ability or type of ability to something. It can also be described as the ability to do something well, usually gained through training or experience. What this implies is that skills are learned either by training or experience. Experience, however, has been adjudged to be the best teacher. It is good to have learned some basic skills before getting to workplace. Therefore, as a management trainee, basic knowledge of the skills discussed in this lecture is necessary. The four major skills concerned here are 1. Technical skills. This is a specialized knowledge expertise which is used in day-to-day problems and activities. This skill is highly necessary at the lower level of management and desirable at the middle management levels, and even the top level of management must be skilled enough to understand some of the technical problems that might arise from time to time. Three, analytical skills. Analytical skills are skills relating to the ability to look at and figure out problems. Someone who has analytical skills can take a problem and figure out the whole issue with no problem. The ability to organize a mass of data and draw proper correlations or infer the lack thereof, and then interpreting these trends in terms that are meaningful to others is called analytical skill. As you know that effective and right decision making is the most important function of management. A wrong but crucial decision could make the difference between success and failure. The right decision basically depends upon the correct analysis of the problem and the situation. Therefore, a successful management graduate must possess the analytical skill, involving the ability to logically, objectively, and scientifically analyze the problems and opportunities and scientific approaches arrive at feasible and optimal solutions. 4. Conceptual skills. The conceptual skill is the ability to view the organization as a whole and as a system comprised of various parts and subsystems integrated into a single unit. The conceptual skills usually depend upon the organized thinking process, which deals with understanding of various functions of an organization, their interdependence, the relationship of the organization with the external environment, and recognizing the opportunities and challenges. However, this is an extremely crucial skill necessary for successful operations of the top management. The top management must formulate objectives, policies, and strategies, and must know how each part of the organization contributes towards the achievement of primary goals, and how each part is interrelated to each other. Summary for Studies Section 11. In this study session, you have learned the following. 1. Technical skill. This is a specialized knowledge expertise which is used in day-to-day problems and activities. 2. Human skill. This is the ability to understand others, develop interpersonal relationships, as well as organize and manage time effectively. It involves patience, trust, and genuine involvement in interpersonal relationships. 3. Analytical skill. This is the ability to organize a mass of data and draw proper correlations or infer the lack thereof, and then interpreting these trends in terms that are meaningful to others. 4. Conceptual skill. The conceptual skill is the ability to view the organization as a whole and as a system comprised of various parts and subsystems integrated into a single unit. This is the end of Study Section 11. Thanks for listening.